everyone! You're probably wondering what I'm doing in another filthy alleyway in Toronto. Well, I got a new Super 8 camera from an estate sale. It's a Canon 814. My previous one was a Minolta, and we're gonna try it out today. It is below zero. I already have to go pee, and I have no gloves. Let's take some Super 8 footage of one of my favorite neighborhoods in Toronto, West Queen West, before I die of hypothermia. So this is the first thing I'm gonna shoot with my Super 8 camera, Queen West on Queen West. I think it's pretty appropriate. I'm pretty excited. Let's see how this baby goes. Sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
It's an old one.
Yeah. So you have to develop it and then also scan it into digital. So it's like
And you just wait a month or something to see the result. You know,
I'm
like
hoping that this takes 2 weeks. Like cross my fingers.
It's not
Thank you so much.
very...
Right now, I'm in Trinity Bellwoods Park, and let me tell you, it is bumping here. I found the only tree with some leaves left on it, so we're gonna take some Super 8 footage of that. This is the tree. Wow. That's a nice tree. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let's do it. So right now I'm on a fire escape in Graffiti Alley. I don't think I'm allowed to be here, so we're gonna do this real quick and then get the fuck out of here. So, is it in focus? So I ran out of time filming today. We ran out of light to film the rest of the Super 8 footage. Also, I got really tired and really cold. So we're taking a break now. We're smoking some weed and watching Spartacus. Good shit. And we're going to persevere tomorrow. And hopefully I don't give up after 3 hours.
How cold was it today?
It was absolutely freezing. I came in here, my hands are still returning to their normal color, and I wanted to die the entire time.
Do you have much filming left to do?
I have so much filming left to do. I didn't even finish half a roll. So this is gonna be awesome. I'm really excited for tomorrow. Actually, what's the weather gonna be like? Oh my God, it's supposed to be snowing tomorrow. Jesus Christ. Okay, whatever. I don't care. I do it for the art. I do it for the art. Cut. Well, here I am in beautiful Toronto. Right now I'm in Cabbagetown. I'm gonna try to take the rest of my Super 8 footage. I only finished like a fifth of a cartridge yesterday, so didn't get very far. Let's take some nice Christmassy photos of small buildings here. There are birds fucking everywhere. I feel like I'm in nature right now. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so let's do that. Oh my God, holy fuck. It's getting kind of dark, so I might peace out from Cabbagetown and maybe try again tomorrow. It's just tough to get through this roll. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just getting way too selective of what I'm like shooting. I tend just to keep like wandering around trying to find the perfect shot, but you know what? It's a process and the perfect shot doesn't exist, so you just have to be free. I wouldn't be saying that if it was like $100 a cartridge. I'm gonna keep on going and hopefully get some more good shots before we lose all our light. Shit, sorry.
Fuck.
Because you're watching me do this. Okay, so I finished up in Cabbagetown. I stopped filming there because there's only so many photos of rich white people's homes that you can take. I've used about half my cartridge at this point. I'm gonna try to finish tomorrow, even though it was supposed to be done yesterday. Yeah, so let's try to find a different spot tomorrow to walk around endlessly for hours. I want to show you my sister's cat though, but she's being uncooperative. Let's change it. So we're in a slightly different area of Toronto today. We're in kind of the Junction area. It's a bit more industrial. Fuck those rich hoes in Cabbagetown. That's what I say. A bit more prep today. I have some fingerless gloves, so I won't die of hypothermia, and hopefully I will be able to get all the footage I need. Because we have to finish this today. The shoot has been going on way too long. So hopefully we'll get some cool shots of some factories and some rail yards. And it'll add more aesthetic to my Super 8 footage. So I'm in the last bit of my roll. I'm going to take some footage of this red wall and chair thing. I think it looks kind of interesting and cool. And then we're going to deliver this film to Niagara Custom Lab, which is one of like 2 film developers in Toronto. So not a ton of options, but they're super awesome. And then I'm going to get home and skedaddle before traffic hits. Let's do this.